Top 7 Flexi-Cap Mutual Funds to Invest in 2025. Best Mutual Funds for Wealth Building. Did you know in 2025 that Flexi-Cap Funds has become the most invested mutual fund category in India? This isn't just another investment trend. Flexi-Cap Funds are rewriting India's investment story. They're close to becoming the first diversified equity category in history to cross 5 trillion rupees in assets under management. More than 30,000 crore rupees has already flowed into Flexi-Caps funds this year, making them the undisputed favorite of Indian investors. But why are so many people from beginners to seasoned pros trusting Flexi-Caps with their money? From beginners investing their very first 500 rupees to seasoned professionals putting in lakhs, everyone is betting on Flexi-Caps. And today I'll show you why and reveal the top 7 Flexi-Cap funds to invest in 2025, carefully chosen based on performance, risk, and consistency. If you do not want to miss simple, powerful guides on wealth building, make sure you hit subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Trust me, you'll want to see what's coming next. So, stay with me till the end, because this could be the turning point in your financial journey. The rise of Flexi-Cap funds. 2025 has been the year of Flexi-Cap mutual funds. No other category has captured the trust of Indian investors like this one. In the first half of the current calendar year, Flexi-Cap funds received an inflow of 31,532 crore rupees, according to the latest data declared by the Association of Mutual Funds India. Since March 2025, these funds have continued to receive the highest inflows among all equity mutual fund categories, the AMFI data shows. For years, investors faced a frustrating choice. They were forced to choose between large caps for safety, or mid caps for faster growth, or chase small caps for big wealth creation. But Flexi-Cap funds said, why not all three in one basket? And that's why, today, they've become the most trusted choice for Indian investors in 2025. So, what exactly is a Flexi-Cap fund? A Flexi-Cap mutual fund is an equity mutual fund with the freedom to invest across large cap, mid cap, and small cap companies, without any fixed limit. Think of it as the perfect mix of basket: stability from large caps, growth from mid caps, and wealth building potential from small caps. Unlike rigid categories, Flexi-Caps funds can move money wherever opportunities are strongest. That flexibility is their biggest advantage. The fund manager can shift money between large, mid, and small cap companies depending on market conditions. This helps balance growth, safety, and making it one of the most popular categories for investors. Why are investors flocking into Flexi-Cap funds? Flexi-Cap funds are not just another investment option. They are a revolutionary in investing. They give you the freedom to invest in large caps for safety, mid caps for growth, and small caps for multiplying wealth, all in a single basket. They adjust to the market volatility, adapt to opportunities, and protect you when times are uncertain. In a volatile or uncertain economic climates, this flexibility can help smooth returns, making Flexi-Cap funds appealing for long-term, growth-focused investors. In a world where markets can change overnight, this flexibility is not a luxury, it's a necessity. That's why Flexi-Caps are becoming the first choice for most investors in 2025. The flexibility to shift across market cap segments allows fund managers to capitalize on market opportunities or defensive sectors, offering a potential edge over rigid schemes. In short, Flexi-Caps don't just survive market cycles, they thrive in any market conditions. The challenge. But here's the real challenge. With over 40 Flexi-Cap funds in the market, not all of them are truly capable of building your wealth or shaping your financial future. So the big question is, which ones should you trust in 2025? Based on solid data, long-term consistency, and wealth-building potential, here are the top 7 Flexi-Cap mutual funds you should know about. If you're serious about building wealth smartly, you'll want to be part of this journey. So make sure you subscribe before we continue. Top 7 Flexi-Cap funds. 1. Parag Parikh Flexi-Cap Fund, the giant of 2025. This fund just crossed 1 lakh crore rupees in assets, making history and the largest flexi-cap in India. It's a favorite for long-term investors who want global diversification. Launched in 2013, in the last 3 years it has delivered 22.9% in rolling returns. 2 HDFC Flexi-Cap Fund. Launched back in 1995, this fund has created unbelievable wealth for investors. If you had invested just 10,000 rupees every month, by 2025 you'd be sitting on nearly 21.5 crore rupees. Well, that's a massive legendary number. I know many of you watching might be thinking 10,000 rupees a month. I can skip a few Starbucks or dining out on a weekend. Don't worry, it's not the end of the world. Let's be more financially wiser in future, as this is a true living example of the magic of compounding, proof that discipline can turn small steps into crores over time. This fund shows how patience and discipline can transform ordinary investments into extraordinary wealth. Third UTI Flexi-Cap Fund, launched in 2005, a balanced performer known for managing risks well while delivering consistent returns across market cycles. This fund has delivered a rolling returns of 15.1% in 3 years. 4. PGIM India Flexi-Cap Fund. Launched in March 2015, the scheme has offered a rolling return of 19.5% in the last 3 years. Smaller in size compared to giants like Parag Parikh and HDFC, but aggressive in performance with sharp stock picking. A hidden gem for investors willing to take slightly higher risk for higher reward. 5. Aditya Birla Sun Life Flexi-Cap Fund, launched in 1998, backed by strong research and wide sectoral allocation. This fund has been a consistent core holding for investors who want diversification with reliability, and has given 17.2% in rolling returns for 3 years. 6. SBI Flexi-Cap Fund. Launched in September 2005, the scheme has delivered returns of 16.4% in the last 3 years based on rolling returns. Trusted by millions of Indian households, SBI brings scale, stability and a track record of delivering in the long run. 7. Canara Robeco Flexi-Cap Fund. Launched in September 2003, the scheme has offered 17.6% in rolling returns in the last 3 years. Known for consistency, ranking among the top with relatively lower risk. A quiet performer, not flashy but stable. Conclusion. So here's the truth. Flexi-Cap funds are not just another mutual fund category. They are the rising star of 2025. But remember, the best fund is not the most popular one. The best fund is the one that matches your goals, your timeline, and your comfort with risk. That's how real wealth is built, not overnight, not by chasing trends, but by staying disciplined, staying invested, and letting compounding do its magic. Now I want to hear from you. If you had to choose just one Flexi-Cap fund from this list, which one would it be? Drop your choice in the comments below. Your answer might just inspire someone else to begin their journey. Imagine this. The knowledge you gain here today could change the course of your financial future. Each insight, every tip, every strategy, it's a step closer to financial freedom, security, and the life you've always dreamed of. If you want your money to work harder than you ever imagined, if you want to turn small disciplined steps into a lifetime of wealth, then this is the place for you. Hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. Join our community of everyday investors who are taking control, making smart choices and building wealth the right way. Until next time, stay disciplined, stay invested, and remember, your money can work harder than you ever imagined, if you let it.